Imagine a child wide-eyed and full of curiosity learning to walk. Each stumble, each fall brings them one step closer to mastering the art of walking. This is the magic of learning. It's a fascinating journey of discovery where every challenge overcome, every new skill acquired is a testament to the power of experience and the resilience of the human spirit. In our lives, we're all learners, constantly soaking up information from the world around us, processing it, analyzing it, and using it to shape our actions and decisions. It's an inherent part of who we are. We learn, we grow, and we evolve. Just as a child learns to walk, we learn to navigate the complex world around us. This ability to learn, to adapt, to evolve is what sets us apart. Now, what if we could imbue machines with this magic? What if machines could learn like us? Welcome to the world of machine learning. In the simplest terms, machine learning is teaching computers to learn from data, much like how we learn from experience. It's a concept that seems complex, but when we break it down, it's quite the opposite. Imagine teaching a child to recognize an apple. You'd show them pictures of different apples, and over time they'd grasp what an apple looks like. Now take that concept and apply it to a computer. We feed the machine thousands, even millions of apple images. This data or experience allows the machine to recognize apples in the future. That's the essence of machine learning. But let's go a step further. Machine learning isn't just about recognizing apples or other objects. It's about making decisions and predictions based on the data it's learned from. Think of it as the machine's ability to predict the future, albeit in a limited sense. Let's delve into a popular type of machine learning, supervised learning. Here we provide the machine with both the input and the desired output, along with feedback during the training process. For instance, in a game of chess, the machine would be given the game state and the best move to make. Over time, it learns to make better decisions on its own. Now consider a slightly different approach, unsupervised learning. Here we only provide the input data, leaving the machine to find patterns and make sense of it on its own. It's akin to leaving a curious child in a room full of toys and letting them figure out how to play. But what's the point of all this learning, you might ask? Well, the applications are endless. From predictive texting and voice recognition on your smartphone to the recommendation engines on your favorite streaming platforms, machine learning is quietly powering the technology you interact with every day. So if you've ever wondered how your email filters out spam, or how Netflix knows what movie you'd like to watch next, thank machine learning. It's the invisible wizard behind the curtain, making our lives a little bit easier and a lot more interesting. And now, you might be wondering, how does machine learning work? Well, it's not as complex as it sounds. Let's break it down into 4 simple steps: data gathering, model selection, training, and testing. Firstly, data gathering. Imagine you're a detective trying to solve a mystery. You'd start by gathering clues, right? In machine learning, these clues are data. We collect heaps of data relevant to the problem we're trying to solve. For instance, if we're trying to predict weather patterns, we might gather data on temperature, humidity, wind speed, and so on. Next, we have model selection. This is like choosing the right tool for the job. There are many types of machine learning models, each with its strengths and weaknesses. Some models are great for classifying data, like identifying whether a photo is of a cat or a dog. Others are better for predicting numerical values, like forecasting stock prices. Our task is to select the model that best fits our data and the problem we're trying to solve. Now, onto the third step, training. This is where the magic happens. Just like training a puppy, we feed our model with the data we've gathered, allowing it to learn patterns and relationships. If we're training a model to recognize cats, we'd feed it lots of images of cats, and over time it would learn what a cat looks like. Finally, testing. Once our model is trained, we need to test it to see how well it has learned. We do this by feeding it new data that it hasn't seen before. If our cat detecting model correctly identifies a picture of a cat it's never seen before, then we know it's learned well. So machine learning is not just about complex algorithms and computations, it's about learning patterns and making predictions, much like we do. It's about turning data into knowledge and knowledge into action. And with machine learning, we can solve problems and make predictions on a scale that's simply not possible with human brains alone. Machine learning is not just a concept confined to tech labs, it's all around us. Picture this. You're scrolling through your favorite online store, and suddenly you spot a product that catches your eye. It's as if the store knew exactly what you were looking for. Well, that's machine learning at work, powering recommendation systems to curate a personalized shopping experience just for you. Or imagine the times you've asked your smartphone to set an alarm or play a song. That's speech recognition, another application of machine learning, turning your spoken words into actions. And then there are self-driving cars. These high-tech vehicles use machine learning to navigate roads, detect obstacles, and make decisions, all in real time. So the next time you see a self-driving car, know that it's machine learning making that possible. From enhancing our movie-watching experience to making our roads safer, machine learning is reshaping our world. Now that you have a basic understanding of machine learning, what's next? Imagine the possibilities. The world of machine learning is vast and virtually limitless. It's a field that's constantly evolving, always presenting new challenges and opportunities. There's so much more to explore, so many questions to ponder, so many solutions to discover. Consider diving deeper into this intriguing domain. There are countless resources available to quench your thirst for knowledge. Online courses, books, research papers, forums. All these can be your gateway to a deeper understanding of machine learning. Connect with communities of AI enthusiasts, participate in discussions, share your insights, learn from others, dabble in projects. Nothing beats hands-on experience when it comes to learning. Try applying machine learning in different contexts, experiment with various models and algorithms. Remember, every AI expert started as a beginner. Every breakthrough was once just an idea, so plunge into the fascinating world of machine learning. Who knows, you might just be the one to create the next big AI breakthrough. Before we wrap up, here's something you can do. Dive deeper into the world of machine learning by joining our community. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and activate the notifications bell. Thanks for your time, and see you in the next video.